Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on Lesson 8.4 of Unit 8, Price Action Trading. In this lesson, we're going to cover support and resistance, including what they are, how to identify them, and a key trading principle. By the end of this video, you will understand how to use support and resistance to make informed trading decisions. Let's get into it. So, let's start with support. Support is a price level where buying interest has repeatedly emerged. Think of it like a floor that the price keeps bouncing off of. It's a level where buyers are more interested in buying, and the price tends to bounce up from here. For example, if the price of a currency pair keeps dropping to a certain level and then bouncing back up, that level is likely to be a support level. On the other hand, we have resistance. Resistance is a price level where selling interest has repeatedly emerged. It's like a ceiling that the price keeps hitting and bouncing off of. It's a level where sellers are more interested in selling, and the price tends to bounce down from here. For instance, if the price of a currency pair keeps rising to a certain level and then dropping back down, that level is likely to be a resistance level. So, how do we identify these support and resistance levels? We look for areas where the price has reversed at least 2 to 3 times in the past. This means that the price has bounced off of this level multiple times, indicating that it's a significant level. For example, if we look at the Euro to US dollar chart, we can see that the price has bounced off the 1.2000 level 3 times, making it a strong support level. Now, here's an important concept to understand. Support becomes resistance, and vice versa. What does this mean? It means that once a support level is broken, it can become a resistance level. And once a resistance level is broken, it can become a support level. This is because the buyers and sellers who were previously interested in that level are now on the other side of the trade. Let's look at an example. Suppose the Euro to US dollar price is bouncing off the 1.2000 level, making it a strong support level. But then, the price breaks through this level and starts trading below it. Now, the 1.2000 level becomes a resistance level, and the price may bounce off of it if it tries to rise above it again. So, how do we use these support and resistance levels to trade? The basic principle is to buy near support and sell near resistance. This means that we're looking to buy when the price is cheap, near a support level, and sell when the price is expensive, near a resistance level. This is a simple yet powerful principle that can help us make informed trading decisions. For example, if we see that the Euro to US dollar price is bouncing off the 1.2000 support level, we might consider buying near this level, expecting the price to rise. And then, if the price rises to the 1.2200 resistance level, we might consider selling, expecting the price to drop back down. It's also important to remember that support and resistance are not exact lines, but rather zones. This means that the price may not bounce off of a specific level, but rather off of a range of levels. So, instead of looking for a specific line, we should look for a zone where the price is more likely to bounce or break through. For example, if we look at the Euro to US dollar chart, we might see that the price is bouncing off a support zone between January 1950 and 1.2050. This means that the price is more likely to bounce off of this zone rather than a specific line. Finally, it's worth noting that some support and resistance levels are stronger than others. A level is considered stronger if it has been tested more times and on higher time frames. For example, if a support level has been tested on the daily and weekly charts, it's likely to be a stronger level than one that's only been tested on the hourly chart. For example, if we look at the Euro to US dollar chart, we might see that the 1.2000 support level is stronger than the 1.1900 support level because it's been tested more times and on higher time frames. This means that the 1.2000 level is more likely to hold, and we should be more careful when trading around it. That is everything for Lesson 8.4, Support and Resistance. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.